Hi friends, I'm here with your favorite YouTube channel Garden Hill. Today I want to show you this exotic flower growing pretty well in hills. This is azalea. Azalea usually found in red, pink, magenta and white. This bicolored shaded variety rarely available in plant nurseries. I have the red variety also. Hope you have gone through the previous episodes where I have shown you the red variety azalea. If not, then you can watch it. The link will be attached on the screen at the end of the video. Azaleas are exotic perennial plants growing in very few regions where it has its favorable conditions of growth. It's not a delicate plant but sensitive, you can say. The plant flowers during September to April in my city, but Sikkim and other adjoining areas have the flowers all through the year. We can consider azalea to be a sensitive plant. When we bring azalea to our garden, it takes a lot of time to adapt itself to the ambience, to your garden, to your environment. Secondly, the plant is very sensitive to soil, water, and weather condition. Third, azalea doesn't like itself to be disturbed. Let me tell you regarding fertilizing plants, I hesitate a lot because I have lost many exotic plants when I started gardening, that is 15 years ago. From then, I have learned that plants need fertile soil, sunlight, water, and care, and very rarely external fertilizers. But when it comes to pot gardening, that is in a confined space, we need to add fertilizer. However, this is the plant which I have with me since 1.5 years. Friends, very rarely I buy plants from nursery. I suppose that keeping alive a plant for several years is perfect gardening. Today we'll add organic fertilizer to this plant. This is bone meal. Bone meal has rich amount phosphorus and calcium and low percentage nitrogen, and this is neem extract. Neem extract kills germs of the soil and also insects of the soil. Both of them apply 2 spoons, more or less. Doesn't vary for organic fertilizer, but for chemical fertilizers always be specific. Bone meal should be applied very carefully. Do not use your hands. Apply with spoon or otherwise wash your hands immediately with soap. Now this is the bone meal that I am adding to the plant. Approximately 2 spoons will be enough for this plant. Bone meal also help for good growth of roots and shoots. Will also help to grow good bright strong colored flowers with large size. If the plant survives next year, we'll shift it to a larger pot. Okay, now let me tell you, whenever you add fertilizer to plants, the soil should be dry or moderately dry, and then you have to use these fertilizers. But when you add liquid mustard cake fertilizer, the soil should be total dry. Now let's talk about the soil needed for azalea. Be very specific for soil. Use very porous soil. Underneath pot, use pebbles. To your garden soil, you add much amount coarse river sand. Do not use the fine sand. Add charcoal crush, add leaf compost, and add little amount of vermicompost, very little amount of cow dung compost also. Here in my region, we have a common practice to grow azalea in leaf compost only. But I have used all these that I have told you right now. Azalea plant takes a lot of time to adjust itself in the garden. After you bring this plant from the plant nursery, keep it under shade but under bright light and amongst other plants with good natural airflow. After that, be careful about watering. Water the plant according to your city weather. The plant loves cold to warm, humid weather. Usually, azaleas are available only during winters in the plant nursery. When the plant is stable in your garden during summertime, water the plant. You can shower the plant. It's common for all plants that we need to shower plants during summer to keep the plant cool. Cities with high temperature need to shower twice during summer. But when azalea is new to your garden, water less. Cities having temperature between 9 degree and 18 degree during winters can keep the plant under whole day sun, but regions with temperature above 25 degrees Celsius keep the plant under half day morning sun. Azalea is a cold climate humid loving plant, but wanna tell you, even my city sometimes hit the temperature to 35 degrees Celsius. Still I have both the azalea plants with me for 4 years, so it's not a big deal. Though it's a hill growing plant, people belonging to plain land can also give a try. Azalea flower persists for a long period of time. Once when they bloom, it stays for 20 days or a month. One of my friends finds similarity with double-petaled petunia, but azalea is a perennial plant, while petunias are winter-growing seasonal plants. Azalea is a hardy plant once it is stable in the garden. The leaves are coarse and the stems are stout, woody and strong. Propagation of azalea is difficult. I tried through stem cutting but did not survive, similar to Ficus triangularis. I find azalea similar to Ficus triangularis. Both the plants need similar watering, same sunlight requirement and similar soil. Added, I could not succeed to propagate in both the cases. Friends, you can find adenium and azalea growing side by side in my garden during October. Growing a desert plant and a hill growing plant successfully for 4 to 5 years is not an easy task. Wanna tell you, I enjoy the challenge. And for all the success, there are few factors that should be followed. First and foremost, understand the plant. Second, help the plant to grow in your environment. Choose the right pot, make an infection free soil, attend your plant every day. Above all, love your plants. Lastly, don't lose hope if your plant dies. You will never know all of a sudden why the plant will die. This red variety azalea is 4 years with me. There was a long stem 6 months ago. I had cut the stem. After that, 4 short stems have grown. I am waiting for more flowers to bloom during winter. Pest attack very rarely happen. Millibug and mites may attack. Spray neem oil in that case. That was all about azalea, grow and care. Friends, if you have not yet subscribed my channel, then subscribe soon and hit the bell button for quick notification. If you have liked this episode, then give a like. Watch other episodes on my channel. You can go through the playlist. Hope you will like them. Keep your feedback on the comment section. So bye bye. Thanks for watching.